Right?
Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah. Remember, everybody, we're gonna.
You are not haram.
Whoever's taking pictures.
You are not haram. We love you. ¿Sabes lo que estoy hablando, no?
No, de verdad, pero suena fácil.
You're not haram. We love you. We don't like the ones that prohibit haram. We love you. Yes. Está la policía.
You know, the material from Anthony, and yesterday I took it all the way home. Yesterday, yeah.
Continuous ride. Turn it this way to the front.
Sí, sí, lo tiene por mira ahí está. Allí
I told her headed that way.
eso llega él.
The rights of humans to have access to food, housing, healthcare. The bare minimum. The bare minimum. 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, my check.
My check, my check. Make some noise.
My check, my check.
Food, housing, healthcare. Food, housing, healthcare. Food, housing, healthcare. Food, housing, healthcare. No war. Food, housing, healthcare. No war.
Hi.
No war. Food, housing, healthcare.
How you doing?
Why are you taking a picture of me?
So that if we have to report you to the police later, we've got a good photo of you.
Hey there. Oh, okay.
Joining us as fantastic.
I'm doing the same to you.
Our one lone counter protester.
I'm not a counter protester. I'm not a counter protester. He's misleading. I'm against Sharia law and I protest against Sharia law. Don't get me stopped. I'm a protester against Sharia law always. Don't get things mixed up. And don't call me right winger because I'm not.
Yeah, 1 second.
I'm centrist. I'm not right winger.
Great. So,
Watch your mouth. What you
we got a
saying?
good team. We'll have, we're gonna go like. We're gonna. Yeah, we're gonna.
Partida con ella. Yo estoy entrando la.
Dos o tres. Dos o tres.
Ya un cachimbo de tiempo que estamos esperando acá.
Tax the rich. 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 Tax the rich.
¿Qué te dijo ella?
I don't know what she said. I knew you said casa.
Yo te voy a decir lo que ella te dijo. Yo te voy a decir ahora lo que ella te dijo.
Stop the cut, stop thinking small. 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 I said stop the cut, stop thinking small. Stop the cut, stop thinking small. How we doing?
Luisa, I'm going to try to practice Spanish once again, if y'all can help us. El pueblo unido jamás será.
Can you stop accusing me of being right winger because I'm not right winger? Can you stop the nonsense?
Great.
No, because he's accusing me of being right winger. I'm not right winger. I'm just against Sharia law. I'm very proud to say I'm against Sharia law.
All right.
But I'm not a right winger.
This has nothing to do with Sharia law here.
No, I know. But his accusation is getting me angry. His accusation.
El pueblo. El pueblo.
Aquí estamos y no nos vamos. Aquí estamos y no nos vamos.
Aquí estamos.
Y no nos vamos.
Aquí estamos.
Y no nos vamos.
Aquí estamos.
Y no nos vamos. Y no nos vamos.
That's what's up.
Why are you blocking me?
What?
Why are you blocking my...
Oh no.
So you guys feel comfortable with the ones that we did?
Here together. Don't worry about it.
And how about that? How about that?
Will never be the people united.
Will never be defeated.
The people.
Will never be defeated.
The people united.
Will never be defeated.
The people united.
Will never be defeated.
El pueblo jamás será vencido. El pueblo. El pueblo unido. El pueblo unido. All right, Joe, when I say, what do we want? What do y'all want? Tax the rich. What do we 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 want? Tax the rich. People united will never be defeated. The people united will never be defeated. The people united will never be defeated. ¡Bravo! ¡De norte a sur! ¡Ganaremos esta lucha! All right. When safety net is under attack, what do we do? When safety net is under attack, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Yes.
Oh, but I wasn't going anywhere.
Why you don't let her take a picture with you?
Feeling good? No, I'm not feeling good. You know what? The third term. Is that what you wanted? No. Is that what you wanted? No. Is that what you wanted, boy? That's cool. And I know that that means that our communities do not believe that this is the way that we need to live.
That's right.
That's right. Is that right?
That's right.
Do we believe that a better future is possible?
Yes.
Do we believe that this doesn't have to be the norm?
Yes.
Do we believe that we can get health care for every single person
not just in New York City, not just in New York State, but in the entire country? Do we believe that every person, not just in this city, not just in this
You need to
state,
speak.
not just in this country, has
Because
the right
he's talking
to
too much.
food?
Okay.
Believe it? I don't know.
No,
Y'all don't
talking
believe
too
it. You
much.
tell me right now, I'll walk off. Do we believe that everybody has the
Yeah,
right
but
to
gotta talk.
food? Everybody has the right to housing? Everybody has the right to health care? These are human rights. Do we believe that? That we can stand together and affirm that we believe those things. I just want to introduce myself real quickly. My name is Cameron.
Yes, Cameron.
Organizer. I work with Physicians for a National Health Program. I'm a medical student up at Columbia. Fuck Columbia. But most importantly,
Charles.
most importantly, I'm a community member.
Yeah.
I live in Harlem. I work in Harlem. I go to school in Harlem. So I don't like to see Harlem torn apart by federal agents. I don't like to see La Migla in my community. So that's why I'm here. And so I'm going to pass it off to the MCs of the rally because I've been told that that is my time. But I just wanted to let y'all know.
Good time.
Y'all have taken that terrible night last night, and y'all have made that a good day for me right now.
Amen.
We're here standing side by side one another, affirming that you are human, you are human, you are human, and we all deserve life. We all deserve life. We all deserve housing. We all deserve health care. We all deserve to live in a country that is not taken over by fascism. Is that right? All right, I'm going to pass it off. Thank you so much.
Okay, can everybody hear me? Okay, good. Anyway,
You didn't pay me attention. You have to
Mark,
announce
really? Do we want to blow
the
everybody's
cut food
ears away?
stamp
Okay, my name is Diana
and the
Ramos.
property and
I am
all
with the
that
Safety Net
and
Activists.
then we are
I
allowed
am
to sign.
representing
And I love
deaf,
skinny.
but not deaf the way you think it. I am representing deaf of fascism. Woo! Okay, so let's get that straight. All right, I want to thank everybody for coming out, showing your outrage for the federal government's attacks on our safety net and on foreign countries like Iran and Venezuela.
Shame.
As we march, let us remember all those who are dead, injured, grieving in Iran because our government really sucks.
That ain't right.
We should be spending this money on our safety net, on our people, not on bombing other countries.
That's right.
That is not our job. Our job is not to do that. Our job is to take care of who we have here in this country.
That's right.
Sorry, it's really hard. We need to remember, as this is the close of Black History Month, of those who went forward before us with the welfare rights movement, civil rights movement, led by black women, led by minorities, led by the poor. All right? Not by some person who lives in a mansion, by us. Us. We led this, so now we're going out there and we're going to restart this revolution because we're done!
Yes.
So now, we will hear Black National Anthem that's sung at actions and protests of these powerful movements. Done by Gerald. I am so sorry, I do English. Gerald Mitchell, who is a TAG ambassador. He will be here for us. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Gerald.
Hi everyone. My name is Gerald Mitchell. I'm 17 years old and I'm a TAG intern. And and I'll be singing the Black National Anthem. Lift every voice and sing till heaven ring. Bring wisdom, harmony of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise, fires of listening skies. Let our resound loud as the roaring sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the darkness has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Sing a rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on till victory is won.
Yeah, give it up.
Give it up, Gerald Mitchell, teaching a generation. Reverend Cohen, Pastor Cohen.
We thank you so much, Gerald. That was gorgeous. And everybody, come on. Youth! This is our future! Right here! So let's give them some props, give them some joy, give them some love. As I already mentioned, this morning the U.S. started a war with Iran. For what reason? God only knows. Yet another imperialist and illegal aggression on a foreign country's resources under the pretext of democracy. They don't even know what democracy is. They are trying to take our rights and they are trying to take our safety net. Congress and Trump's administration are making huge cuts to SNAP, Medicaid, and other safety net programs that our communities, that we rely on these in order to fund wars on foreign countries that we have no business being in.
That's right.
Huge tax breaks for the wealthiest in the U.S. Sorry, guys. I may have fireballed a little too much last night. ICE that is kidnapping, killing, and imprisoning our communities. We are here to say enough. We are here to create a mass organized movement of people relying on safety net programs, everyday working class and low income people who know that these cuts are deadly to us. We are here to fight for a world where all of us have their basic needs met and can not only survive, but live with dignity and in peace. You say cut back, we say fight back. Cut back! Fight back! Cut back! Fight back! You say cut back, we say fight back. Fight back! Fight back! I'm sorry. I'm okay, really.
We got you.
Let's go.
Anyway, the next person to speak is a member of Housing Works, Derek Flowers.
Housing Works in the house.
So I wanted to put a personal face to some of these cuts. I think.
All the way to your lips. All the way to your lips.
All right, better? Yeah. All right. I wanted to put a personal face to some of these numbers. That many times we talk about cuts and we don't see how difficult it is in the lives of people who are living through this every day. All right. So 5 years ago, I was homeless, and because of the support, I now live in the Housing Works supported housing program, which has changed my life.
Yeah!
But more importantly, as a 17-year-old, I was HIV positive, and I was looking for a life, a world, and I immigrated to the United States, where I became part of a huge family of people who understood that people's lives came first and profits came second. Now, because of science, we for the first time in my life, now I'm 45 years old, I began to think about the beginning of family, because we know that being undetectable means you're untransmittable. And so that important idea is for the first time I begin to look at what that looks like. But with these cuts, that idea will be gone very quickly.
All right? Well, so let me explain what that means. Is for someone who spent most of their lives saying they could never reproduce, because the very action that promotes reproduction puts other people at risk, becomes changed when you have science and you have political will to support that science.
Right.
That's right.
I also want to talk about how important it is for these cuts to not be implemented, because if those people on the rolls, like myself, who get treatment, what will happen is for new people who are coming into the system, all right? So if someone gets, we promise that someone gets to get tested, then they will be giving treatment. That's the promise we give to our people. That's why we want encourage people to get tested. But if you're cutting the funding, then how would we fund new people getting onto the roads, onto the system, and preventing new infections? Right. So we also talk about treatment as prevention, right? So if we have an undetectable viral community, then we will have we will be beating the virus, and we'll be living longer and supporting our country more.
All right, ready. Stop the war! Feed the poor!
Stop the war!
Feed the poor!
Stop the war!
Feed the poor!
Stop the war!
Feed the poor!
Stop the war!
Feed the poor!
Stop the war!
Feed the poor!
Stop the war!
Feed the poor!
All right, how about that? Yeah!
We say come back, you say fight back, come back!
Fight back!
Come back!
Fight back!
We say come back, you say fight back, come
Fight
back!
back!
Fight back!
Fight back!
Fight back!
Come back!
Fight back!
Come back!
Fight back!
Come back!
Fight back!
Come back!
Fight back!
Fight!
Yeah, let's go! And the next activist for this fight is coming to you, citywide, but representing Brooklyn as well. From the Black Institute, my home base, where I started in this movement. My good friend Taliki Robertson.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Taliki Robertson. I serve as the Executive Director for the Black Institute, a think tank that takes action for Black people and people of color. Can you hear me? All right. I am grateful to be invited by the Urban Justice, the nonprofit coalition of commission, and all the CBOs that's out here today, like Housing Work.
Yeah!
Act.
Yeah!
Who else is out here?
Tag.
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 How can I forget Tag? And Safety Net what? And Safety Net activists.
Yeah!
So I want to focus on 3 urgent issues. Everyone here has been yelling about all the different issues that's out here, but I want to educate you about the issues out here. First, housing and healthcare. Second, voting rights. Third, the attacks we are seeing on immigrant communities, including aggressive ICE enforcement. Let's start with immigration. We need comprehensive immigration reform. Can you please say that?
We need comprehensive immigration reform.
Our current system is broken. It keeps families in limbo for years. It criminalizes people who are working, paying taxes, and raising children without pathway to citizenship, without stability, and without protection. Without comprehensive reform, we remain vulnerable to detention, deportation, exploitation, and workplace. Local communities cannot solve a federal failure. Congress must create a pathway of citizenship for dreamers, TPS holders, and policies that threat our immigrant disposables. That's right.
That's right.
I'm sorry?
It's okay, baby.
Okay, I'm just. Now let's talk about healthcare.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Now let's talk about healthcare.
Yeah.
Why are we still fighting? I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yeah.
Why are we still fighting?
Yeah.
Protect and access care. Why is there Why are families worried month by month? Why are coverages already that we pay for and we contribute for are coming from our taxes, premium, out-of-pocket costs? Healthcare should be unstable. It should not be unstable. Actually, healthcare should be free.
Yeah!
Healthcare should be free.
Yeah!
Policymakers at the federal and state level have the power to strengthen public programs, protect Medicaid, protect Medicare, and expand access. Governors, state legislators, members of Congress, or local advocates all play in a role in this. Okay? We must demand that we fund healthcare properly and stop treating us like bargaining chips. That's right. Housing is also just critical. We need affordable housing. Yeah. We need affordable housing. Yeah. We need to tax the rich. Yeah. Hello, I want you to say it. Tax the rich. Tax the rich. Tax the rich. Tax the rich. Rents are rising. Insurance costs are rising. Working families are stretched out. We need stronger tenant protection. Real investment in decent affordable housing and policies that find people over speculation. That's right. Now let's talk about voting. Our democracy is in serious trouble. Do you hear me? Our democracy is in serious trouble. We do not show up, decisions get made without us. When we stay at home, others decide who control our housing policy, our health care, our immigration system. Assembly seats, state seats, and the governor seats is up right now. Okay? Do you hear me? Yes. The assembly seats, the senate seats, and the governor seat is up right now. Yes. They write laws. They confirm policy. They affect our daily lives. I do not see enough of us community board meetings. I do not see enough of us at policy tables. I do not see enough of us at rallies calling tax the rich. I do not see enough of us calling for tax the rich. 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 We need more canvassing and educating voters. We need more residents speaking up about comprehensive immigration reform. We need more people registering and organizing and holding officials accountable. Change does not happen in silence, people. The more we raise our voices, the more we create pressure. And pressure creates policy shifts. If you want to learn more about my organization and being a part of what we are doing at the Black Institute, just go to theblackinstitute.org. Thank you for having me here.
Tax the rich! 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 Got one more for you. Stop the war, homes for the poor. 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 Stop the war. All right. Next up is my honor to bring up 3 young youth members from TAG, Teaching the Generation, ambassadors, youth organization here in Central Harlem. They will talk about the impact of underfunding of the safety net programs on their lives and lives of their communities and loved ones. I have Stephen Feliciano, I have London Stevens, and Sanaya Hardeman. Stephen. London.
Come on up and coming.
London is here.
Come on up and coming.
Let's go. Give it up for London, Teaching the Generation. This is our future. Our young leaders get involved civically.
Yeah. That's an up and coming. Up and coming.
Good afternoon. My name is Madison.
We cannot hear.
I'm here before you today, not just as a presenter, but as a friend.
Eat the mic.
Hello, 1, 2.
There you go. There you go, up and coming.
There you go. Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Madison. I'm here before you, not just as a presenter, but as a 20-year-old young woman, as a proud African American, and as a dedicated member of the Harlem community. I'm here representing not only TAG, but my generation and my neighborhood. Because healthcare is not a privilege, it's a right. Yet too many African American and Latino families across the country are forced to fight harder, wait longer, and settle for less when it comes to their health. We deserve resources, representation, and to be heard. When our communities and these issues are overlooked, lives are put at risk, and this is unacceptable. We are not asking for special treatment, we are demanding equal care, equal funding, and an equal opportunity to live healthy lives.
That's right, that's right. That's right, girl.
Today we stand together not just in frustration, but in power, because when we raise our voices together, change happens.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is London Stevens. I'm 17 years old. And I'm a proud TAG ambassador. I want to add on to how important healthcare is, especially when we talk about fairness, equality, and access for everyone.
Access for everyone. Y'all know with that?
In 2024, 58% of white adults receive mental health services. But when we take a look at Hispanic adults, that number drops to 44%. For Black adults, it falls to 39%. For Asian adults, it is only 33%. These numbers are not small differences. They represent real people, people who are struggling, people who need support, and people who are not receiving the same access to care. Mental health is health. It is just as important as physical health. When entire communities are less likely to receive services, it shows us that something in the system is not working equally for everyone.
That's right.
If we truly want to create a healthier future, we have to be brave enough to confront these disparities and be committed enough to fix them. That starts with education, accountability, and ensuring that every medical professional understands racial health disparities before they ever step into a hospital or clinic.
That's right.
It continues with building a more diverse healthcare workforce and creating systems where every patient feels seen, respected, and valued. Thank you, everyone.
Next up from TAG, Ocean Charles.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. My name is Ocean Charles. I'm 18 years old. A proud TAG ambassador. SNAP benefits are essential for food insecurity, and cutting them off would harm young people a lot. Reduced SNAP benefits can lead to malnutrition among children and teenagers, affecting their physical and cognitive development. Studies have shown that food insecurity is linked to lower academic achievement and increased behavioral problems in school. Stress of household food shortages can create unstable living environments, affecting their physical, mental health of young individuals. SNAP benefits ensure that young youth have consistent access to nutritious food, supporting their overall well-being and future opportunities. Thank you.
Thank you. Good job, brother. Good job.
We got another tag. Again, they come in to speak on each of the issues that's important and matter and impacting their lives. All right? Young people, elders, also everybody in between. We're all being affected by this. So this is a good moment for them to be here. Thank you. Sanaya.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Sanaya Hardiman. I'm 17 years old and a senior in high school. I am a TAG ambassador. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, before this, I had no clue what NYCHA was. New York City Housing Authority, or better known to the youth as the Project. NYCHA is good in theory, but there's a big difference between being good in theory and in practice. In practice, what we are seeing right now is that because of the economy, the rich people getting richer, and taxpayers are constantly complaining about where their money is going. Mind you, residents are the ones paying the price. Rents are going up, but the conditions aren't. People are being asked to pay more while still living with mold, broken systems, and poorly maintained buildings. The solution is not cutting funding or pulling support. That only makes it worse. If residents are already paying higher prices for low-quality living conditions, reducing and removing funding just guarantees further neglect. Instead, NYCHA needs stronger oversight and accountability to make sure the money being collected actually goes back into maintaining clean, safe, and livable housing.
That's right.
Funding should be protected and properly managed so residents aren't forced to pay more just to get less. Thank you.
Give it up for teaching a generation. Reverend Cohen, Janet Cohen, they are teaching a generation. And I'm so happy that the youth are here as well. I'm happy everyone is here. So next up.
All right, everybody. Our next speaker is Cameron Clark, medical student representing PNHP New York Metro. And we're against segregated healthcare.
And how about that?
When housing justice is under attack, what do we do? Stand up, fight back. When housing justice are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up, fight back.
When food stamps are under attack, what do we do?
Stand up, fight back. We'll start our march down Adams, St. Powell to the state building. We're going to do all of the state office building. We're going to cross over Malcolm X Boulevard. We're going to go on the downtown side. In the street, we have our marshals here. We're going to be on the sidewalk, excuse me. We have our marshals here.
We have our blue bloods here.
Hold on. People with walkers and other mobility support, please be on the front of the march. Lead us and define the pace of the march. We have marshals. They are wearing green vests. They will provide the march. They will protect the march when we cross the street and help us move forward. We have our police liaison, the community engagement liaison, Denton. Him and his people will make sure that we're safe also walking on the sidewalk. We are not planning any civil disobedience action today. Please don't interact with the police in a negative, impactful way. Try to disrupt our actions. And let's just have a great march, okay? We just gotta make a lot of noise when we're walking down this street. We're gonna 10 blocks. 10 blocks. Everybody got a nice pace, but we're gonna keep it.
We had a lot of police cars here. Just one.
Huh?
Spit. That's still on slip. That's still on slip.
Oh, okay, I'm trying to get one of these little shake buckets.